some sad reminders of reality. Two of the tragedies that involving Malaysian Airlines that are still fresh in all our minds, and our hearts go out to the victims and the families. Every day, some of 10,000, 100,000 of flights take off and arrive safely at their intended destination. What happened with the MH370 and MH17?
We all get fit in again tomorrow. Gotta break rules cause that's the motto. Club shut down 100 supermodels.
There are many action taken, but for main action is IATA is working on our partners towards some recommendation on how to track aircraft better. There is some promising technology that will become available in the near future, maybe. And we are also looking at some interim action which will be considered by the Board of Government in December. MH17 brought to the light of need for the better information of operation over conflict zone. Everyone in the world was angered with the civilian aircraft and the instrument of the peace could be shot down in airspace and has declared safe. This responsibility for improving the information needed to avoid to repeat of this tragedy rests firmly with the governments. In fact, through the International Civil Aviation Organization, government are working on ways to fill the gap in the otherwise robust system. About the thing, if few people travel, then there will be negative effect on the economy. If the same number of people travel, just the different airline, then the overall effect is zero. There are so much of cash moves around, such as insurance claim, paying lawyers, etc. At the crash site, there is much localized spending, securing the site, investigating the site, meals, accommodation for all those attending to the site, and what else? And airlines need to buy a new aircraft, and such as new news or media like CNN need to charter helicopters to fly over to the crash site for the next 3 days, employment for talking heads and stuff, and maybe we can add on as for the funeral. Funeral is expensive, so that's it. IATA has produced better safety in aviation. Most commonly, we can pinpoint that IATA has invested to build the world's largest database of safety information. We call it as GADM for Global Aviation Data Management. As we and others develop the analytical capability to perform deep queries of the data and be coming up with the insight that will lead to the next generation of safety improvement.